Hello guys, welcome to Chori Maths. I'm going to be solving this exponential equation. Now, how do I start this? Okay, I have 5 raised to power x plus 1 minus 3 raised to power 2x is equals to 0. And the first thing you need to do is to take this over, cross it to this side. All right. Now I'm going to have 5 raised to power x plus 1 will now be equals to 3 raised to power 2x. Okay. After doing this, the bases are not the same. The right hand side has a base of 3 and the left hand side has a base of 5. So what do I do? Let me show you this. Recall that from the multiplication law, if I have x raised to power n times x raised to power m, remember, is going to be x raised to power n plus m. Now, this law goes both ways. So I can move, that is having 5 raised to power x plus 1. I can actually move it so that it will be 5 raised to power x, then times 5 raised to power 1. Okay, I've not done anything to this. Instead, I'm going to have 5 into 5 raised to power x. This is what I'm going to have. So I'll replace 5 raised to power x plus 1 with that, so that I'm going to have 5 into 5 raised to power x, cover the bracket, is equals to 3 raised to power 2x. Okay, now yet I can see have it as 5 into 5 raised to power x. This will now be equals to 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power x. I have not changed anything. It's just a method and it's going to help us to work and get our solution. Now, why not let me make x5, anything that has to do with x, the indices or the index numbers. Okay, let me make them to be on one side. How do I do that? I'm going to divide this by 5 raised to power x. I'll divide this by 5 raised to power x. Okay, so therefore I'm going to have 5 is now equals to 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power x, then all over 5 raised to power x. But there's something interesting here. And what is the interesting thing? Before I go there anyway, this can be written as 9 raised to power x all over 5 raised to power x. Now, from the distributive power law, if I have x over y all raised to power n, then each of them, once I open the bracket, will take the power. Okay, now this is the same thing. You can go back and front, the same conclusion. So what I'm going to have here now will be 5 is equals to 9 over 5 all raised to power x. What is 9 over 5? This is 5 is equals to, now 9 over 5 is actually 1.4. Okay, this is all raised to power x. Sorry, this is not 1.4. I think I'm mistaken. Okay, this should be 1.8. Sorry for that mix up, but we are okay now. We are good to go. Now, what do I do from here? The very mathematical step to take here that will make sense is to take the log of both sides. And what do I do in this case? This is going to be log 5 is equals to log of 1.8 all raised to power x. Now, remember, this is actually of base 10 and of base 10. So don't forget, okay? Now, let me show you. I want to believe once I tell you, you are going to recall the law. Now, if I have n log, then maybe I have x base y. Okay, this can actually be written as log of x raised to power n base y. So it can go either way too. Hence, in this case, my log of base 10, then I have 1.8 all raised to power x. I can have it as x log of 1.8 base 10. All right. So therefore, this will now be log of 5 is equals to x log of 1.8. So that x will now be equals to log of 1.8, sorry, not 1.8, log of 5 divided by log of 1.8. Okay, this using my calculator, I can get log of 5 as 0.6990 approximately, then all over log of 1.8, 0.2553. This is what I have. Of course, x will now be, once you divide, you are going to get 2.738. So to two decimal places, I can leave it as 2.74. That is the value of my x. So you can actually go back to check. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to like the video.